Good morning. If you've been wondering where we've been lately, well, today's video is a bit of an update. We've been packing, moving house, we've had some health stuff going on, and there's everything else that's been going on behind the scenes that we will update you with. Not too dramatic, but just an update on why I've been laying low lately. Well, we're in the middle of moving house at the moment. We're not moving very far, just around the corner. It means there's been a lot of packing and a lot of sorting and decluttering. And it's amazing how much stuff you accumulate and don't get rid of. And I'm probably the worst offender for that. So we've done that. We've packed our house up and we're almost ready to get into the new house. And thankfully it'll be very soon, just in time for Christmas and celebrations. So we've been donating a lot of stuff to charity. We've been selling a few things. And then there's also, the mental load of letting go of stuff that you've been holding on to for a while or that reminds you of things in a different time of your life. So you've got to go through all that as well. John's been having a few issues for quite some time with his ankle. And he's been onto that since we've been back from our cruise. He's had some x-rays and MRIs. He's seen a specialist and he has got some major issues with his ankle. His ankle is pretty stuffed according to the specialist and he'll need an ankle replacement at some stage, but at the moment he's gone in, he's had a cortisone injection and thankfully the cortisone injections worked, so he's going to be a little bit more mobile, he's in a little bit less pain and swelling's not so bad, so that's good. He has had a few things, dental work done, and I've had some pretty bad neck and back issues that I'm also following up, so I'm about to go and have MRIs on my spine to find out why I've got some serious neck and back pain, but I'm surviving. I'm still having fun and enjoying life, and yeah, it does restrict me a little bit, upsets my sleep a little bit, but you get old and put on a few pounds and bodies don't work quite so well. So I've got a few things that I've got to improve. So we've got our new house happening as well, which is just around the corner, and we went for a downsize. We've gone to single story, and so we don't have the issues with stairs. Getting older, thinking about getting older as well, you just want to move to something that's going to be more user friendly, and it's probably the right timing. Although having to organise things like getting landscaping done, getting fences done, getting stormwater done, we can't do them ourselves like we might have done 20 years ago. So yeah, organising to get those things done in a country area means there's a few delays and a few things going on. So yeah, we've got that in the process. So yeah, lots going on: concreting, fencing, stormwaters, landscaping, excavating. Obviously we've got to have a space for our lovely little caravan to sit, so that's all been happening. And then we've got to get all the furniture in and unpack, which is happening very soon, probably before this video goes out. It is very exciting. We are so excited. It's not a chore, it's an excitement. And with that, life still's going on. Today John's still out playing golf. He's out playing his Tuesday morning golf with his mates, which is good. I've been playing golf as well. We've both been playing bowls. There's been a fair bit going on with bowls actually. We're members of the Port Hughes Bowling Club and we're commonly known as the Sharks. We've had a few tournaments to go into and there's been some club championships started, regular games with mixed results, and yeah, that's been twice a week plus those extra days, and I even did an umpires and measurers course yesterday, so watch out, here I am, can help out with that now too. And I still got family stuff going on, so I had a nice little trip to Melbourne recently for a 21st, which was lovely. So it was a good chance to reload and reset and enjoy seeing the grandson and my son and his family. Went over there and spent some time and yeah, a little bit of time out, which was lovely and a nice chance to reset. And while I was in Melbourne, my son had just gotten himself a 3D printer and he printed up a few really clever little things for me that we can actually use in the caravan. The first ones are these tea towel clips. They're super simple. You just use some double-sided tape and stick it on the back, and then you can stick them on the wall. And then you slide your tea towel or cleaning cloth straight in, and it keeps things tidy and stops them sliding around. The next one is a different hook, so it clicks out, which is really handy in small spaces. There's another tea towel hook. You can see the little ball inside that. This next one is a little gadget. It's a pen style tool that stores small screwdriver bits and hex heads inside the end, and it's really compact and easy to grab, and you can put it in your handbag for quick fixes on the go. The next one was a very small caliper, which is perfect for measuring little things, surprisingly useful when you're trying to work out sizes or clearances. And the last little one is a clever little keyring tool for shopping trolleys. Instead of needing a coin, you just slide this in the trolley to slot to release it, and then you pop it straight back onto your keyring when you're done. And I'm just showing you here how the tea towel clip works in practice. It's a really simple idea, but really practical for caravan life. Also have caught up with my older son, who is over in the UK at the moment, and he is spending time with his girlfriend and her family over Christmas, and they're doing some holidays, and then they are coming back to Australia at the end of the year. So yes, it's been busy time catching up with him before he leaves. So what's coming up next for us? Well, we've got plans. We've got a little holiday to Port Minlacowie early next year, after the new year, after Christmas has happened and after family have been and gone and celebrations have been had. And then we are going to go down in the caravan for a few days just to have some time out and go to the beach and just have some chill time, which will be great. And when we get back, we'll continue on with the bowl season and the golf, and that will finish, our bowl season will finish in a few months. And then we've got a big trip planned. So we have got the travel plans going over to the East Coast and through the outback areas of New South Wales and Queensland. We have to do that at the right time of year. We want to make sure that we're going to be visiting places when it's not really, really hot or not really, really wet. So we feel like we've got timing sorted out to be in Brisbane and be north of Brisbane, going up as far as Yeppoon. So if you guys have travelled to Yeppoon or from Adelaide to Bateman's Bay, and there's anything in between that you reckon is a good spot to go to, let us know. But stay tuned, we've got lots coming up. So thank you for sticking with us while we've been busy and a little bit absent. Life does get in the way, and this YouTube is a bonus for me. It's something that I really love doing. I love putting out episodes and making memories and movies and sharing our holidays with you, and this is just a little bit different. So if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe so you can keep up with all of the activities that we're going to be doing, give you little snippets of how things have gone. Hopefully everything goes smooth, fingers crossed, and we'll see you in the future. So for now, it's goodbye. I hope you all have a great festive season. Whether I get an episode out over that time or not is another thing, but if not, we will catch you in the new year. Okay, bye.